Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel, and today let's have a talk about this bag. Yes, the Longchamp Le Pliage Xtra backpack in size S, and another bag at the very end of the video. It's time to reveal you this bag, so let's go. Yes, if you follow my channel, you know that last winter Longchamp made sales and I went a little bit crazy, and I told you that I got two items that I will show you later. So we are nearly 10 months later, and here is the bag. So as I just told you, is the Longchamp Le Pliage Xtra backpack in size S in the brown cognac color. And the reason why I haven't done the unboxing is that this design of bag, you know, if you follow my channel, that today the nylon pliage got this design with the zip on the top. I am not a big fan because I regret the previous version with the zip all around. I do think the design was cuter. And for this one, I was very tempted, but I wanted to make an honest review after using it. So that's why 10 months later, I'm going to make this review because I use this bag a lot and I do think I can relate to my experience. I got this bag on sale, and today this bag is no more produced. You just have the M size, which is really bigger. As I always told you, you can still find this bag in all stock through reseller, official reseller. My bag do not come from Longchamp store, nor Longchamp website. I bought it with my friend at La Boutique du Sac. You know, it's a big network, La Boutique du Sac. They do have several shops in France, and they are official Longchamp reseller. And as I explained you in my video, if you want to get the best bargain, I invite you to go and see the Longchamp website during sales, but also bag brands and official resellers, because most of the time they have a larger selection of sales items. And here is the example, the cognac color. Most of the time Longchamp do not put on sale their neutral color. And here in my boutique, La Boutique du Sac, I saw this one. Because when I got to the boutique, I already have reserved some item, but I was not informed they still have this bag. And when I saw it on shelves and I asked them, oh, you also put on sale this one? You still have one? They told me yes, and it is half price. So my friend, I got this bag half price, so the retail price was 480 euros. Sorry, I forgot the price in American dollar. And I only pay, yes, it was still an amount, but I only pay for it 240 euros. So really a nice bargain. And I thought to myself, okay, the color is great for all year. The size is okay because I was really not into the M size. I always told myself, okay, maybe I will try this bag, but in the S size. I bought it and I tried it. So I will write the dimension. I repeat, the zip is on the top of the bag. You've got the classical leather flaps from the Le Pliage line. The bag is like this. The handles, which are adjustable, they are not made with leather. The top handle is also not made in leather, but you have leather on top of it, and it's quite nice. It's better when you have it on hand. It's a nice and soft touch. So it is corail leather, but because you know that Le Pliage Xtra, now it is only corail leather. You have nothing here, and oops, sorry. Here you have no button pressure because you cannot fold it. Just to let you know, it is not like the nylon one. Sometimes I put keychain and or back charms, and today I've got my burgundy kitty because I think the color match well. And the hardware is gunmetal. And I use this bag today, so I'm going to show you what can fit inside, but I can tell you the capacity is insane. I don't have any bottle of water, but you can place a bottle of water easily. So let me show you first what I got inside and then I go into detail. So you can see I've got some item. So first of all, I got my Longchamp, Le Foulonné. It's not Foulonné, it's coiled leather, vegetarian. I have done a review about it, have a look at it. I got it and I've got some medication, I've got a tiny notebook and tissues and so on. I love it. As you can tell, the patina is starting. It is darker than it was before, but I love it. The feeling is incredible. So I got my Foulonné pouch. I've got my travel notebook, but you have already seen in my video. I love it. It's also in leather, vegetarian. I've got several little books inside and I love it. I got document for my car and I got my Longchamp compact wallet, this one that I love because the leather is also so soft. Inside you've got one main compartment. This is the Longchamp print in black, as you can see. On the back, you've got a massive, look how big it is. You've got a massive zipped pocket. At the moment, I just have some tissue and a pen, but you can place what you want. It's so big. So you've got a massive zip pocket. And on the other side, here, you've got a flap pocket, also massive. Oh, I just have an air clip. Really massive. So, my return of experience. I love this bag. First of all, the weight. It's lightweight. When it is empty, it's super lightweight. I finally love the zip on the top. It's okay. It's not, to be honest, 100% secure, but when you have it, if someone, thanks to the flap, try to open it, you will feel it. Seriously, you will feel it, so it's quite okay. The capacity, as I told you, is really great. The leather, I have already told you, the leather of the Pliage Xtra line is really well made. I miss Le Pliage cuir with métis leather, but this new leather is really good. And as you can tell, mine, as I use it, it begins to be more and more supple, seriously. But if you see the corners, they are really lovely. I am really super, a bit surprised because I put my bag on the floor and you know, I'm living in Provence and we have stones, we have, dust and so on. I'm not living in full nature, but I'm living, in the middle of Provence and it's not a really, it's a rural area, so I'm super happy with the result. It's really a soft but durable leather, very high quality. The size is perfect for me. It's not too big, but not too small. Seriously, as I told you, I can fit a bottle of water and a bunch of items. It's great. The design is really nice. If I'm wearing a chic outfit, it's also passed. Seriously, it's quite an elegant bag. The top handle, it's practical because sometimes I just want to take my bag like this and it's like I've got an handbag due to the design and to be honest, because you know I love backpacks and I have in my collection a lot of Pliage nylon backpacks and other backpacks from other brands. I don't use it for wandering, but when I go into town, like I said, or when I go shopping or when I go to a restaurant, it's not a problem to have this bag. So it's really perfection it's a city bag and I'm quite happy to have a bag because I also have a Longchamp Le Foulonné backpack, which is really bigger and I love it. I use it, but you know, the style is more casual. This one is more elegant and I love the design. It is written Longchamp, so I'm really happy to have it in my collection. If I just have to tell a negative point, I would have loved that they insert a keychain because You see the height, it's not crazy, but when I am looking at my key, yes, most of the time I put them either in the zip pocket or in the flap pocket, but I show you they are big, so if we had a keychain, I just took the string out and yes, it will be easier. Or it would have been cool to have a secret zip pocket here or on the side. It would have been perfect, like my Fulone, my bigger one. I don't have a keychain, but I got an hidden zip pocket outside, and this is really practical. So this is the only coin of this bag. Other than that, I am super happy to have taken the decision to go for it, because I can tell you, I was not into this zip opening, seriously, but finally it's okay. For me, on a small size, it's okay to use it. So this was the bag. I'm really satisfied. I can tell you, the leather quality, and now this bag is a real gem. It was more rigid when I got it, but now it's so supple and it's an easy to go bag. And I told you that I got another bag to show you, because when I was in the boutique, you know, it was full of stuff on sale, and I got my eyes on something that I already got in my collection. It's not a Longchamp one, but I saw it, I could not resist. Yes, I bought another backpack, an East pack, you know. But look at this, this was the collaboration with Peanuts. You call it Peanuts, I do presume. Here in France, this little dog is called Snoopy. And I'm fond of Snoopy, and I know that this pack was having a collaboration, but I got it on sale and it was their last one, and it is in purple. I already have a purple It's Pack backpack. I will link the video. And I love it. Sometimes it's nice to have an East Pack backpack. This is the Orbit XS. And look at the color, my friend. I could not resist. You know how much I love purple. And I love Snoopy. So it was great. And I also got it half price. So I paid only 25 euro. Yes, yes, if I made a mistake, because I got my notes, I will write, but I do remember, I think I remember well, it was 25 euro, so it's great, and I could not refuse. I really love backpacks, and this one is so funny. Look how adorable it is. So you have one main compartment. Everything is purple, you know, this, the zip, it's adorable. The inside, you got one compartment really large, and like this, if you see better, yes, like this, very practical. And you've got, because each pack, they are brilliant. I put it on the floor. You've got this extra pocket on the front, and it's so practical to put your phone, your keys, and so on. So really lovely. So yes, I could not refuse. I bought it also. So my friend, that was for today. I recommend the backpack Pliage Xtra. I repeat, you have chance to find the S1. The M is still available on the Longchamp website. It's a good bag. Seriously, it's a good bag. If you live in a city and you need a backpack at a nice size and with good quality leather, I do recommend it. It's practical, even if I have admitted in the video that it would have been great to either put a keychain or just have an outer zip pocket here, just to have your phone and your key. But it's okay. You know me, I am always into details, but okay, I do recommend this bag. I'm really happy with it. I'm really satisfied, and I got it at a crazy price, so I am over the moon. If you have any question about this bag, please, or this bag, please write me a comment. Please tell me also if you either got the Orbit XS from this pack, or you got also in your collection a backpack from Le Pliage Xtra line. Tell me, let's open the discussion. Thanks for your support. Till the next video, take care. I love you, my friend. We see us soon. Bye bye.